Well, CAD drawings are incredibly accurate, and sometimes that accuracy does trip you up. Let me zoom in a little in this drawing. What I want to do is fix this little drafting area. There's another one over there where a line is hanging off the edge, but I want to extend the magenta line to the green line to close that little area out. This of course is a garden bed area, and we've got some paving to the right and some more paving around the grassed area. So I want to extend the magenta line, and you would be forgiven for going modify and extend. The prompt, if you look down in the command area, says select the edge objects, the edge that you're going to extend to. So I'll pick the green line, it gets highlighted, and I then hit the right mouse button and I'm asked to select the object to extend, which in this case is the magenta line. So I pick the magenta line and nothing happens. The command seems to be failing. But let me draw a new line from the end of the magenta line to the end of the green line here, and exit from there, and we'll zoom in a little. I've made the thickness of the green line and the magenta line non-standard so that you can see it. But if I pick this new little line that we've added, can you see it over here in the properties box? Its angle is 90.02. So if you can imagine extending the magenta line up, it doesn't actually meet. There's no extension for it to meet. You can deal with that, I guess, in a number of ways. A very crude way would be to just put polar on so that we can make sure we just extend the green line, and then modify rather, and extend the green line is the line we want to extend to, and then we pick the magenta line and bingo, everything works. And then I guess we could trim off that piece of the green line that we no longer want. So it'll be modify and trim. The trim and extend command work in a very similar way. We pick the edge object first, so the cutting edge, which will be the magenta line, then right click and the object to trim, and it should be that one, and it's gone. It all works. So you don't have to be, but don't get frustrated when a command doesn't work. It might be slight errors in your underlying geometry that cause the issue.